What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the episode of Prince's World. And today, the new project is a 1996 Honda Civic. Now, let me tell you something. When I got this car, I got it for literally dirt cheap. Like, dirt cheap. But the repairs and stuff I did on this vehicle is what rose it up. Not a good thing for a vehicle I'm going to sell. But, let me show you this. I already gone about removing the transmission from the vehicle. Let me tell you, this has got to be the easiest transmission to remove. Like, still kind of tough, but easier than most. Not much things holding it up. And so the problem with this vehicle was that its clutch had burnt out. That's how I was able to get it so cheap. And also the fact that this thing's body is worse for wear. When I got this thing from the owner, he pretty much said that his friends decided to go and take a ball peen hammer and just start hammering away at the thing. Like, the things you see that are green are all things that are replaced. Like, the parts that were replaced were just horrible. I can't even get this dent out just yet, but I will get it out. You see, I had to repaint some panels to get some from the junkyard, make it look brand new. And also, I'm also on the fence when it comes to this windshield. I'm not sure if I should replace it or just keep it as is and sell it as is. The car looks a whole lot better than what it did before I started working on it. On top of that, I don't have door panels. Not a single panel. And the worst part is, it's very hard to find door panels for this vehicle. Like, I'm literally all over the internet. It seems as if he got this thing when it was a shell though. Because I see a lot of things that were replaced. It's good though. The interior is actually quite decent. Just gotta get these door panels. And also, if you look closely, we had to do some hinge work because this door didn't close properly. And let me tell you, that could have been a whole video all in itself. In the end, I had to get the hinges welded to the body. In the end, check this out. That boy closes like a dream. That was a tough one. But anyway, I already went about ordering a new clutch pack. Like I said, the previous owner said all they needed was a clutch. Me, when I saw it, needed more, but still. I got the new clutch in. It took a while to get in because the C19 is going about making things slower. Also, you guys didn't notice, we got ourselves a new puppy. We're going to train her to be a guard dog. And when she's ready, she's going to scare away all these dirty thieves. But anyway, back to the task at hand. We got to replace that clutch. So, let's get to replacing that clutch. And would you look at that? Burnt. No wonder it smelled like a blown airbag. Anyway, this clutch is done for. It's a good thing we ordered a new one though. But anyway, I think this could still be used. But I'm not about to do the same job twice. I learned my lesson from that Ram. That's why we got the new parts. So everybody, let's start installing them. So you guys will see the transmission is put back together. Everything's slapped back in place. Well, almost everything. There's still the axle and all that other good stuff, but otherwise, we're pretty much done. Just gotta put all those other things back together, and we'll be finished. So, let's jump on putting everything back together. So everybody, the Honda is finally put back together. And also, as you guys will see, that boy's gone. You wanna know why? Because that boy sold. And it sold a lot faster than I expected, which I'm happy for too. But even though I'm glad that it's gone, I'm actually quite disappointed in myself that I didn't take advantage of it. As you guys saw, I had to paint the vehicle and also put hinges on it. Right there could have been 3 videos all in itself, which makes me disappointed in myself that I didn't actually video those moments. You know, all is good, all is well. Of course, with the installation problem, I did have more problems than I expected. That just happens when it comes to repairing vehicles. And after I put it back together, I did replace the automatic standard transmission fluid. I had to use this thing. That's why I go buy another thing, you know. It's okay. I'm actually happy that I had to go get some more stuff, put some more arsenals in my toolbox. But you know, now the Honda is done, we're done with that. I have another vehicle I want to show you guys, another thing I want to get my hands on to fixing. And that is this right here. That's right, everybody, we got ourselves a 2008 Volvo S40. On this boy, we gotta replace the engine. As you guys will see, we actually ordered a new engine and it came in. Whew, I'm so happy about this because that Volvo is gonna actually make big bucks. Big bucks. Now the issue that is holding us from working on this Volvo as of right now is the fact that we don't have the key for the vehicle. The thing is completely locked up and we can't get inside the thing to pop the hood and get to the engine bay so we can start removing all the things that we need to get that engine out. And the only option we have is to call locksmiths, and the locksmiths don't make keys for our European vehicle, which sucks. And we've been calling up the dealership. They told us $350 to make a new key, which is a complete no-no. So we're not going to be doing that. We're coming up with other options, and if we have to use the dealership, we will. But you know, it is what it is. We'll persevere. But with that being said, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your bell notification to know if I want to upload a new video. And also, if you want to be up to date with the happenings of this Volvo, then check me out on Instagram at Prince's World. But with that being said, until next time, Prince out.